Hello. In this tutorial, you'll see how to create new galleries, update galleries, and add new pictures to existing galleries. You'll also see how to connect a gallery to one of your properties to show more details of that property. When you create a gallery, it appears in the main navigation for your website under Galleries. Clicking that menu option will reveal any galleries that you have saved. Note: you will only see the Galleries option if you have one or more galleries saved for your site. When a visitor to your site clicks on a gallery, they will immediately see the description of the gallery, along with each image saved in that gallery. Clicking on any image will show a larger view of the image. To get back to the full list of images, they just click Back to Gallery. To manage your galleries, click the Edit button in the Galleries card in your Website Manager dashboard. The Galleries section will appear, and any existing galleries will be listed. To edit the information on any gallery, click the Edit button. In Edit Gallery, you can set the name of the gallery and the caption that should appear on the menu. You can also enter or select the date the gallery was added. In addition, if the gallery should be associated with one of your properties, you can click the Property dropdown to select it. Click the Update Gallery button to save any changes that you have made. To add or remove images for this gallery, click the green Images button, as shown here. The list of images currently saved with this gallery will appear. You can edit the caption for any image by clicking on the blue Edit button. You can edit the caption of the photo, change the sort order of the image within the gallery, and change the image itself by selecting a new image file from your computer. If you have made any changes here, click the Update button. Otherwise, click Back to Photos list. To delete an image, click the red Delete button. The image information will appear so that you can make sure you are deleting the correct image. Click the red Delete button to delete this image, or click Back to Photo list to return without deleting. If you want to add more images to your gallery, click the Add a New Photo button. You will be asked to enter the caption and set the sort order for the image. You can either click the Choose File button, or you can drag and drop an image onto the image selection area. Once you have selected your image, click the blue Add button to add that image to your gallery. I'll add a new gallery for one of our properties. This gallery will show the interior of some of the apartments at one of our properties. I'll click the drop-down list to associate this gallery with the property. Then I'll click Add Gallery to add this gallery to my list. The new gallery appears in my list. Next, I'll click the Images button to start adding my images. As you can see here, I've added 3 images to this gallery. Once you are done adding your images, click the Back to Galleries list button. In the website, the new gallery appears on the menu. In addition, when I go to my Properties page, the gallery is listed there so any visitor to my site can get to it from there. In this video, we have seen how you can add galleries to your site to provide vivid content for your site visitors. We've seen how you can add and update images for a gallery. Finally, we've seen how you can associate a gallery with one of your properties. Thanks for watching.